Hello, welcome to Lip. My name is Teacher Farwa. I'm 25 years old and I'm from Pakistan. I have done BS Honours in Mathematics, Bachelor's in Education and Postgraduate Diploma in Education with over 3 years of teaching experience both in classroom and online. I work with students of all ages and all levels from beginning to advanced, above and beyond to create a fun and positive environment for my students in which they can learn easily. I do this by using props, flashcards and TPR method. I also have a reward system for you. Hope to see you soon in my classroom. Bye bye.